Hey guys, it's Amory here, and vlogging from inside the house, just watching old TV, chilling, eating chocolate, and I just decided to vlog because it's raining outside, and just waiting for my other half to get back from the grocery store. So yeah, it's just been a boring day. I knew it was gonna rain. I was just waiting for it. But yeah, I'll let you guys see what it's like outside. Pretty sure it's not cold, but let's see. Yeah, it's kind of nasty. So yeah, like as y'all can see, it's pretty cloudy outside, and it's yucky. Just gonna stay in and watch movies, maybe cook something or whatever. But yeah, I'll update you guys soon. As soon as my cake is back up. I forgot my password on my phone, and as you know, you have to reset your whole phone. So I didn't lose any contacts, but on my apps and whatnot, I still have to re-download those. So yeah, no more passwords for me. There's the lake. Well, it's kind of like a pond, but you guys get it. Just gonna freaking, I guess, chill inside. It's a rainy day. Bye.